Once upon a time, in a busy city, there was a little girl named Lily. She loved to watch space shows on TV and dreamed of being an astronaut one day. Lily's best friend was a boy named Tim. Tim spent all his time playing video games and wanted to be a famous streamer when he grew up. One day, Lily and Tim decided to visit the new restaurant in town. It was shaped like a big rocket ship. "Wow!" Lily exclaimed. "It's just like a real spaceship." Inside, they met a real astronaut. He was tall and wore a shiny blue uniform. "Hello, kids," he said with a big smile. "I'm Captain Star. Do you like space?" Lily nodded eagerly. "I want to be an astronaut, too," she said. Tim looked unsure. I want to be a streamer," he mumbled. Captain Star laughed kindly. "Both are great dreams." After eating space-shaped nuggets and drinking moon milkshakes, Captain Star offered to show them something special. "Would you like to see where I work?" he asked. Lily and Tim followed Captain Star to a big building. "This is the space factory," he explained. "We make parts for real spaceships here." Inside, they saw huge machines and people in white coats. "Look at all the letters and numbers," Tim said, pointing at a computer screen. "It's like a big alphabet soup." Captain Star nodded. "That's right, Tim. We use the alphabet to write special codes. These codes help us build and fly spaceships." Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement. Tim looked thoughtful. "So, even streamers need to know the alphabet?" he asked. "Of course," Captain Star replied. "Reading and writing are important for everyone." As they were leaving, Captain Star gave them each a special badge. "You're now junior space explorers," he said. Lily and Tim beamed with pride. Suddenly, a loud alarm started blaring through the factory. Red lights flashed everywhere. Captain Star's smile disappeared. "Oh no," he said. "Something's wrong with the rocket."
Minitale.